What's up guys, it's Noah here with CustomRCMods, out of the park today with my buddy Kafka. And as you might have seen in my last Mustang video, as you can see, we've got this shit staying here. And it's still flying. If you saw that intro clip, you know we actually folded the wing. We got that back together with some duct tape. We've got a session on the wing over here, and we're gonna try to give this thing a proper death by the Torn Up Mustang challenge. The rule is it's similar to the flight test hole in a plane challenge, where they took the drill and they had to drill a like 2-inch hole, and you played like aerial Jenga like that. We're gonna go ahead and take turns ripping off a piece of this plane until you know, it doesn't fly anymore. So let's go ahead and see how that works. I think my first modification to the plane is going to be taking off some of this canopy. So I'm just going to go ahead and rip off all this turtle deck that I worked so hard to put on. And put the hands going here. It's going to be all of this. And we'll see how she flies. All right, here we go. Oh, is it feeling that camera there on the wing?
It definitely is, but we'll give it a little sub trim now, and let me just give it another loop here, and then we'll go ahead and bring it in. It'll be your turn. Coming straight in here. A little finicky at lower speed, but it's all good.
All right, so in keeping with that, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and take the rest of this turtle deck off, because I'm not about to damage these critical flight systems. We'll do one section. Oh, get it out! That's full, that's full. That's a pass. That is a pass. But once you get it going, it's good, isn't it? Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
This thing flies good.
I know, isn't it smooth? Beautiful.
The coolest things about this Mustang is the scoop, but I think it needs to go for the sake of this video. So we're just gonna go ahead and rip off that scoop. Make sure we keep the wing on, but we're gonna just take that scoop off. And really, we're just saving weight here. Like this is awesome.
Yeah, theoretically, this should only fly better, right? Just less weight.
Yeah, we're just gonna take this entire thing off. Here we go.
You just gotta launch left wing up a little bit.
All right, let's take a pass here.
Gotta.
She's still flying beautifully. Bring it in right here.
Ooh, there's a session. All right, so for my mod, I'm just gonna tear the rest of this turtle deck off. We're kind of running out of options before things get structural, so gotta go ahead and tear the rest of this turtle deck off. Oh yeah. Oh, turn. Could use a bigger prop. But...
Beautiful. Got the job done. All right, here's the next thing to go. We're gonna take off this essentially power pod section. There we go. Still flies like a dream, even for that session on there. Oh, it just flies so smooth.
All right, so I think I am just gonna go for the rest of this. I don't even know if it's gonna. Yeah, you got some hot glue.
Should definitely leave the power pod in there though.
Yeah,
that's holding our battery.
We're gonna have to start working on the wings and things like that after this.
Oh yeah. She needs a little rudder to come back around, but what she does. Wow. She's like an air racer. Oh. We've got this big old session on here weighing this down, so I think we need to even out the weight on this side, and we're just gonna peel out some pieces of this wing here. Oh, look at that.
I think you're probably good with that.
Gonna take off that section of the wing there. We still got the aileron, and now we're even on the weight. I think this is gonna fly even better than before.
Was that sketch?
It's a little more sketchy now.
Wow.
Just the bare bones of this plane. Needs more rudder.
All right, well, Kafka liked the wings. I saw that flying. I'm just like not about that. So I think we're just gonna go for a chunk back here.
Oh no!
Of the fuselage. I don't exactly know how this is gonna work out in long term.
That's the only thing holding up that
poor
elevator.
decision, but
Let's see it fly, Noah, shall we?
yeah, I guess.
Bring her back! Yes! Woo!
Needs that rudder.
Alright guys, so I love math, and as you know in algebra, what you do to one side, you must do to the other. So we're just gonna go ahead and peel away all this section of the wonky wing. Oh yeah.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
This is just how these planes were intended to be. This
Okay.
could wreck it, but we will have to see, guys. Oh, it flies actually better. I'm not even kidding. It actually flies way better. Look at it. Precision control on this FT Mustang.
You know what? Kafka was right. And what you do one side, you got to do the other. So I guess we're just gonna take some out of here.
baby.
Maybe that's not enough. Maybe that's not enough. I think we're good. Yeah, it does fly better. You're right.
Does that mean we need to take more of the wings off?
Oh, I don't know. I don't want to get anything in your head.
The next thing that must go in order to keep this plane flying is, give me this section right here.
Oh my gosh, that is a lot.
Try to not take off the duct tape of the wings. Just gonna try to. There
Okay.
we go.
Yeah, that looks good.
Weight reduction. Let's fly it. More about just flying. You know.
All right, guys, so I'm just gonna take it easy for this one and do the same thing that Kafka did to the other side. This is also the side that did not have that wing damage from earlier, so I'm gonna go down a little bit farther on there as well. Getting close there. I think it'll still fly though, so. All right, here we go.
Oh no! Get it going, get it going.
Oh, we fine.
Got it.
This thing flies solid. Like, probably flies better than my Mustang on its first flight untrimmed.
All right, folks, it's time to move into some more of our mechanical pieces of this plane. So I think I'm gonna take a chunk out of this elevator here.
Oh my gosh.
Just take out a nice little chunk of that there.
Yeah.
Let's see how she flies. No problems whatsoever.
All right, guys, so that flew pretty good for what it was, but now I think I'm gonna try to take some of this power pod out here. I'm not gonna go too crazy on it, but this is definitely where the fuselage starts to collapse. That's the last little bit of horizontal support for the fuselage, so let's take a little bit more out just for fun. I think it's time to fly it.
I can see the battery now. Go! Yes!
Really, the only way to turn this thing now is your rudder.
All right, guys, this episode needs to wrap up, so we're gonna start making more radical decisions. We're gonna just take off way more of this wing here. Just keep pulling pieces off of this until she does not fly anymore. Go ahead and take probably out up to there, and I'm gonna go ahead and stop there.
There she is. All right, guys, so as you can see here, this is really not good. But if this wing is gonna be so floppy, then I don't think the aileron's doing anything. So let's just go ahead and just crack the entire top end there.
Oh, jeez.
This might be the like straw that breaks the camel's back, but I guess we're gonna find out.
Here we go. Yes. You got it. You got it, dude.
Oh my gosh. Oh man.
All right, guys. So this is a P51 Mustang and not a Corsair as it looks to be. So we're just gonna get that off. This wing does not think it's in the right position right now. So we're just gonna go ahead and take more of this wing off. Is that good, you think? I think so.
Yeah, that'll do. All right, here. This thing's still flying. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't know. I guess the next step is just to take off these bottom pieces.
They're just causing drag, right? Aren't they?
Yeah, I can't see a reason why they'd still be installed, but I guess that'll do.
It's in the air. It's flying. How's it feeling?
It's manageable actually.
That battery swap definitely helped us.
Yeah, for sure. There's a little bit of foam or paper or something twirling off the end there.
All right, next step, let's continue to take off more wing. Let's punch through some of that and take it off.
That's the one with the session on it too, so there's probably higher wing loading on that side too.
Useless foam all over this
This
thing.
plane flies probably pretty darn good still if we just took that 70-gram session off the wingtip there, but
It's flying.
all right, so this might be coming to the end here. I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to weaken the fuselage with this sidewall right here. On this one side only, hopefully don't need that for balance, but I'm already taking most all of it off.
See, right into that plane. Oh, dude, you wrecked my Mustang. You're wrecking my Mustang.
All right, guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you found it entertaining. I was actually really surprised how long that Mustang flew, and it flew after like 8 modifications, just like it did on the Maiden, it seemed. Just a little bit of rudder to compensate for that heavy GoPro there as well. So I'm pretty happy with the overall performance of that thing. It's a testament to the Mustang's design. If you guys want to learn more about the FP Mustang, you can go ahead and watch my recent video where I built and flew one and did not crash it. That'll be in the link in the description below. And also, if you guys want all of the parts from today's Mustang destruction, you can go ahead, claim it down in the comment section below, and I will go ahead and ship them to you at your expense. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.